Hello, I'm David Posey with HSI Sensing. We're here at the Sensors Expo 2015 in Long Beach, California. This is our new Spoton sensor. It has an internal reed switch and balanced magnetic field, making it an awesome sensor for both magnetism and for ferrous metal. Just a simple bolt will cause the sensor to activate without touching it. This leverless technology features a sensing distance of twice the normal distance and twice the speed. We feel is miles ahead of the competition in that it is hermetically sealed, dual purpose sensor that works in the oil and gas industry for valve position and any kind of industry that converts mechanical motion to an electrical signal. This new sensor features our strongest reed switch, our 100 watt HSR 933 switch, magnetically coupled with special magnets for precise activation, and working in an environment that has stringent requirements for temperature and corrosive atmospheres and explosion proof. It has a number of features.